Welcome sa EV Channel PH. Today, quick picture tayo sa limited edition Pink BYD Seagull. Isang compact EV na may bagong kulay at solid pa rin ang performance at may kasama pang advocacy. Ang pinaka-obvious na updates, bagong pink colorway, fresh, classy, at standout. Kasi limited edition lang ito. At sa loob, meron ding pink accent sa dashboard, upuan at trims. Stylish, fun at clean ang dating dito sa interior. Now, let's talk about the performance. Same pa rin, the Seagull is powered by a 70 kilowatt motor or around 94 horsepower with a 180 Newton meter torque. Sa top speed, up to 130 kilometers per hour at ang range niya is around 300 kilometers on a full charge. It uses a BYD Blade battery known for its durability and safety. May fast charging support din ito so practical gamitin kahit daily. Small ang size pero big in efficiency. Perfect sa tight city roads, parking at daily errands. At ang presyo, 958,000 pesos. Swak for an electric car with a tech and look and purpose. At ang pinaka-meaningful part, every unit you purchase support the Cancer Care Hero Fund by Healthway Foundation. Kaya sa bawat drive natin nito, may kasamang tulong para sa iba. So ka-EV, kung gusto mo makita in person, visit the BYD dealership na malapit sa'yo habang available pa ang limited units. Stylish, all-electric power, Blade battery tech at may heart para sa advocacy. This is the Pink BYD Seagull Limited Edition.
If you like this content, if you like EVs, and if you like to know more about electric vehicle, just subscribe our channel, Electric Vehicle Channel PH. Bisitahin nyo kay EV yung ating video section. Scroll nyo lang, marami tayong mga EV reviews, mga long-form video about electric vehicle. Again, meron tayong TikTok and Facebook page na rin. Follow nyo na rin for more updates about electric vehicle. Again, this is Mark from Electric Vehicle Channel PH. Stay charged. Drive electric.